Hey guys, been a little bit busy this week. I will try to get back to those daily uploads next week. And overall, we did have a good week, but there were a lot of things to improve on. So one of the things is my patience. I hit a bunch of losers in a row, even though we had a very big winner. I did manage risk by sizing smaller after the big winner, so I didn't lose those gains that I had. And as you can see, market just wasn't going with my trading model this week. And I should recognize that and, either traded less or went with my other trading model. But it is what it is. We can always look to improve. So as you can see, we hit one winner and then we hit like three losers in a row. This one stops out in profit for a small win. But you know, I kept going, trying to get some money back, and as you can see, I'm losing and losing and losing. But overall, going against the trend isn't the best thing, and I do it multiple times here. This one, I go with the trend, and it just doesn't work out in my favor. So, this, I believe, is Thursday. No, this is Friday. So I took a long under my level, even though I should have waited for it to come above my level. So that's just impatience on my part. I thought I was seeing something with the CVD, but it just wasn't there. So I did stop out on that one. I should have expected that whiplash with that big sell off. But I re-enter, take the same trade, same setup, and this time it actually ends up going in my favor. So that one ended up breaking me even on the day, even though we already had two losers. So good risk management showing that even though you have a negative win rate, you can still come out on top. Then now I'm switching to ES here. We were showing relative bullishness. There was divergence on both NQ and ES. So we switched to ES on that NQ breakout because I want to go with the ticker that has more strength. So here you can see that we trim our position and then stop out the rest in profit, ending the day green with 2 wins and 3 losses. So good R to R. And there were a lot of things that we can improve on, a lot of impatience. So it is what it is, but we're going to take it out as a lesson and try to improve for next week. Ending the week off at $883.